Howdy guys. I have been having a bad case of flu in the last 3 days. But then I remember this stupid Lollipop test made in China lying on my cabinet, and its expiry date is next year, August. Well, cost $8. No, sorry, $13. Yeah, where's the price? 13.9 Malaysian bucks. Well, rather than leaving it on the shelf and expiring, let me try it. And anyway, I've read the instruction and I'm not going to tell you how to do it. I'm sure you all know how to do it. So, I just, because there's nobody holding the camera for me, so I just lay down the camera, do it, and then put down and see how this fellow here will show the test afterwards. Here you are guys, useless made in China. After waiting 15 minutes, nothing appeared on the OT line. If it's negative, there should be at least a bar underneath the T line. And if it's positive, there's supposed to be a bar on the O line. Nothing here. The saliva didn't even move from left to right. So it's not even expired, this test kit, and it's not working. Bullshit lah, made in China. Hello. More than 15 minutes, and guess what happened? Oh, the O line got a bar, the test got none. So it's negative. Is it? Rubbish lah this thing. Don't bother.